I never dreamed that putting winter melons in a steamer would yield such delicious food. First, prepare the winter melon picked from the book. Don't learn this by frying, poaching, grabbing all the winter melon you have. Slices are first added with 2 tablespoons of pure salt, then mixed with your right hand. Marinate for 20 minutes to allow the moisture in the soil to smoke. Then prepare the pork filling, add spring onion and ginger, 1 handspoonful of pure salt and 1 spoonful of pepper powder, and add cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Add 1 spoonful of raw extract first, and lastly add 1 spoonful of flour and stir together with chopsticks. This time we marinate the waxed gourd with it and we roll it up into a row of pre-made meat fillings. Crack another male egg into a container. Stir the dough evenly. It's time to deliver. Damn, there are some winter melon soup in October, don't throw it away. Pour it into the pot, pour it the best. Boil the sauce over low heat until sticky, then place it on top of the steamed winter melon and eat it. Finally, sprinkle shallots and beautiful melons at home. Would you like to do it like us? Thank you.